What's up, rough kids? Today we're going to be drawing
A four-wheeler.
He wanted to draw a four-wheeler because it's your
Birthday!
It's his birthday. How old are you today? 5 years
Almost
old.
5.
No, you're 5. It's past 3:30. You are 5, my friend.
But it didn't come my birthday.
Yes, it's your birthday right now. Your birthday is right now. Oh, you're knocking over stuff.
He knocked over.
You knocked over a light. Okay, birthday boy, what are we actually drawing today?
A Stinger Flynn.
Stinger Flynn from Garten of BanBan.
Chapter 1
Is he from chapter 1?
and 2.
From chapter 1 and chapter 2. So we're going to put our drawing hats on today, and we're going to get started. That was loud. We're going to get started. Are you ready?
Yes!
Do you want to tell everybody what you asked for your birthday?
I saw it.
When you put your mouth on the microphone, nobody can hear what you're saying. Try again.
A
Oh, that's right. In case you couldn't hear him, he asked for a
four-wheeler.
four-wheeler, but a Power Wheels four-wheeler, battery operated.
Yes.
And a special four-wheeling helmet that goes with it.
Yeah.
Cool. So,
It's blue.
it's green.
Actually, it's blue.
It's green, but if you want to think it's blue, it's fine. Okay. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Stinger Flynn. Here we go. First step is to draw
The face.
the dome of his head.
No. Yes.
Yes. So it's like this. You ready? It's like a half circle, okay?
Okay.
And we draw him up pretty high.
Okay.
You bumped into my nose. You silly goose. Half circle.
Half circle. Where?
Right here. You want to follow my finger?
Yeah.
Okay. Start up here.
Right here.
Okay. Yeah, connect it. Good. That's good. Bring it to there. Good. Okay. Now turn it back up.
Yeah.
Good job. Now we're going to do zigzags across the bottom, okay? Like little V's or U's.
It's like bumps.
Yeah, like this. Connect it. Good job. Just connect that little spot right there, okay?
Connect.
Awesome job. Now let's do the eyeball, okay?
The legs first.
Oh, you want to do the legs first?
Yeah.
And we'll do the eyeball last? Okay.
Yeah.
So the first 2 legs are the ones that are on the outside that go straight up. So we start with this one. You gotta have you lean back so you're not blocking anything, okay? Just watch Dad first before you go, okay? This first one comes out of here. You gotta lean back.
Can't see.
Well, then just wait till I'm done because you're gonna block the camera. So this first one comes out, goes down,
Yeah.
and then goes all the way up here like this, okay? And then what I do is I take and I make a line that stays about the same distance away the whole time. It makes that first tentacle.
All the way up there.
Anywhere up there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Good job. Okay, nice. That's one, okay? Now we're coming over here and we're gonna do something similar. This one's gonna go, gotta lean back.
Okay.
I know you wanna watch so bad, but it blocks the camera, okay? And then you stay the same distance away and you come all the way back.
Okay.
Okay, there's 2 tentacles. Good job, birthday boy. Okay. Now, Stinger Flynn's are looking awesome. Now he's gonna have 4 more tentacles that are kind of.
He's strong.
He is strong. Yours is a guy stronger than mine. He's got 4 more tentacles that are gonna kind of be waving down toward the bottom. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first one's gonna come out from behind this one,
Yeah.
and it's just gonna wiggle all the way down, and it's gonna swoop out towards the bottom. Okay. Yeah. Right from there. Wiggle it all the way straight down. And then good job. And then when you connect it back, you do the same thing we did up top. You make a line that's about the same distance away, all the way back up. Good job, Odin.
He looks strong.
He is very strong. Now on this side, we do very similar. Comes out from behind here, and it wiggles its way all the way down to the bottom, and then it points out. Yep, right from out from behind it, yeah. You just wiggle it all the way down. Wiggle it, and then point it out. Yeah, good. And then come loop back around. Good job. No, that's fine. That's fine. You can come up this way. Just make it end right there. Right in there. Yeah. Good job.
He looks
Okay.
strong.
Let me finish my tentacle here. And keep the same distance away. Two more tentacles and an eyeball. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Don't draw on your paperwork, little boy. Okay. So now, right from here,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna do mine right from here. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay? We're gonna do tentacles that look just like this. And Odin's already going back up. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same. Go back up, keep the same
Wait
distance.
here, Dad. Wait there in there.
Okay, good. Now, 1 tentacle left. You're gonna have to do yours starting right here. And it's gonna have to be skinny. It's gonna have to go down through here, okay?
It has to be straight. Well, not kind of straight, like.
Yeah, you gotta make it come in here, through here. Yeah, there you go, straight down through there. Good, and then end it and loop it back up and make it go right through there.
Kind of.
Yeah, it can touch. It's okay if it touches. It's okay if it touches. Good, and I'm gonna draw mine.
He looks strong.
He is strong.
I'm gonna show the kids, Winnie. Manon. I wanna be at the Colleen.
We almost are. All we have to do
It's just
All we have to do is draw an eyeball.
Yeah.
Okay? And draw Stinger Flynn's eyeball. Ready?
Yeah.
Right in the middle, it's just a big circle. Just like this. Boom. Big eyeball. Yeah, go. Good circle, Odin. Now, we draw his eyeball part, which goes like this.
Yours
It's a
is too big.
It's a smaller circle that's all colored in black. Just like that.
It looks like a baby. A baby.
Do you want me to show you how to connect it to the side?
Yeah.
Like Stinger Flynn's real eyeball?
Yeah.
Okay, like this for a second. Just color that whole thing in. Color all that in. Good. That's it. Markers down, unless you have anything you want to thicken up. And then we start
Coloring.
coloring. Stinger Flynn. Did you have fun doing? Hey, birthday boy, did you have fun doing Stinger Flynn? Tell the camera, did you have fun?
Single thing, yay!
Stinger Flynn, yay!
Yes.
Well, I had a good time doing it. As you can see, here's my drawing. Here's Odin's drawing.
And this is supposed to be Dad, but that's mine.
Oh, this one's yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we had such a fun time doing these. We're going to continue to do more like this, so stay tuned. And Odin, do we have a special announcement today?
Yes.
We do.
Birthday
Do you know what it is, birthday boy?
Yes.
In a minute, I'm going to grab all the kids and have them come in, the other kids, and have them come in here, and we'll tell you what it is. But in the meantime, we also have, and Odin doesn't even know this yet, coming soon, a new channel called Odin's Antics.
I know.
You already saw it? Yeah. Something we've been working on for a little while. And as you know, at the end of almost all of our videos before Odin could participate with us, we have a segment called Odin's Antics. So check out the channel. Odin's Antics is just Odin up to his antics.
Yep.
So
Type it in.
stay tuned. So we have a special announcement. And does anyone want to break the news? You want me to break it? You want to break it? Man's going to break the news.
We're launching a new channel called Crazy Kids TV.
That's right, Crazy Kids TV. It's hopefully going to be out this Saturday. Stay tuned, look for it. It should be out the same day this video comes out. It's pretty exciting. It's basically the Craft Kids just doing crazy adventurous stuff. Challenges, outings, adventures, all kinds of different things, right guys?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And it's us just being goofy and having fun like we do every day, right? You guys excited about the new channels?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So we will see you soon. Until next time. Bye.
Bye.